Hi everyone. Do you want your child to start reading simple, decodable books? I have some great ideas for you. We're going to do some letter sounds and I'm going to show you a book. I found that once they know their letter sounds, the correct letter sounds, not just the letters, but the letter sounds, they're able to put words or those letters together to form simple words like cat. I'm a little breathy because my sinus is killing me as usual. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this is how I'm sounding this morning. So I've got a pack of stuff in my hand. You have the Bob books, and I have proven this. This is what I've done with my son. At the earliest he could learn, I started teaching him. The thing that I did before, though, I did the letters first. You know, it's a learning process. So I did the name of the letters first, and I think just naturally they learned the ABC song and the name of the letters first. But then you can teach them the letter sound, and the letter sound is what is going to help them to start reading simple, decodable books. And the Bob book, the set of Bob books are the first set of books that I started with, because you can decode those little words in the Bob book. Preschool, and because I wanted him to start early. So when COVID hit, I hit it as well, and this is how this channel came about. So I started teaching him at 2 years old simple little things like the letters, and we'd play games, and he'd uses building blocks, and we'd practice doodling those little things, crushing paper, just using little activities that will help him to make his hands stronger for pre-writing skills as well, and it has worked. So I'm going to share the Bob books with you, and there is a little LeapFrog video, and it gives the letter sounds. It's like the A says ah, the A says ah, every letter makes a sound. The A says ah, and the B says B, the B says B. Every letter makes a sound. The B says B, and the C says K, the C says K. Every letter makes a sound. The C says K. And I actually have those cards. I got them from one of my sisters, whose little girl used it, and now she's a teenager now. So it works. So I'm going to share the Bob books with you and letter sounds. So let's find a little location. I think I've thought of coming outside today. You know, being outside improves our mental health, just taking a walk, getting out in the sun. So I decided that I was going to do that today. All right, so I'm going to share the Bob books, and I also have these little cards, so I'm going to go through that with you as well. So reading does not have to be hard. Start simple with simple little things. Letter sounds, that's the key, and get the child to do it. No pressure. You find little games that they can play if they don't want to do it today, like in the morning, because kids are unpredictable, you know. They learn at different times of the day, so if they're not able to do it in the morning and they're protesting, don't do it. Find something else to do another activity. Then you go back to that, right? You have to get them in a space or in the mood where they are receptive to learning, and you'll get a lot of success from that. So let's go through some of the wrong pronunciation, the Bob books, and I will also go through the letter sounds with the ABC cards that I have from LeapFrog. Go find the video as well. I don't remember what it's called, but it's an old video, LeapFrog video, so go find that. Okay, hopefully you can see these they're not flashcards, ABC cards. So this is the back of the card, and this is the front. And when you find the video, it has the exact thing. So this is the letter A, and A makes the ah sound. So when the monster scares the letter A is going to say ah, and that is the sound A makes. On the back of the card, there are little activities, suggested activities. It says, have your child say people's names that begin with the letter A. Then the second activity, I mean, you don't have to do this with 3-year-olds. You can try, but don't force them to do the activities. Just introduce little things and no pressure, not too much pressure, because we have a tendency to really pressure the kids because we need them to do this activity right now. Anyhow, let's go back to it. So have your child act out words that begin with the letter A. So find some activities for them to do. So that's A. A makes the ah sound. The letter B. This is B. B, 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 b. And on here you see an example which B is for B. B makes a B sound. On the back, there's the activity, and I'm going to lose my card. Here we go. The activity says, have your child name something in the kitchen that begins with the letter B. Have your child name a sport that begins with the letter B as well. There's the uppercase B, and here's the lowercase b, and the B makes the B sound. So you get the idea. Read the ABC cards, but I'm going to find a more suitable location to sit and go through letters of. To make things interesting, what I have done, I've made little figures. So this is not Matt. I can't find Matt, but this is Sam, and Sam goes with this book. So this is Sam. But let's read Matt. Let's put Sam over here to chill out. So let's read Matt. Matt is very, very simple. They're all pretty simple, and it builds up. So this is Matt. And there is Matt. Right here it says beginning sounds for book 1. And it shows the uppercase and lowercase letter. A. So these are the letters we're using in this book. The sound. Moon, apple, table, sun. Mat, mat, mat. Mat, sat, at, mat, at, sat, mat, sat. This is Sam. Sam, S-A-M, Sam. So that's my version of Sam right there. Sam, sat. So you see, if they know the letter sounds, they think this book is easy, right? So let's go. What sound does A make? Ah. What sound does M make? So let's say together. Sam. At, sat. Sam, sat. Matt, sat. Sam, sat. So you see as well, it's just repeating the words. So once they get a hair, Matt, they'll be able to continue reading. Sam, Matt sat, Sam sat. Mat sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam. Sam sat on Matt. And then you can talk about the pictures as well. After reading or during the reading process, knowing kids, they'll probably ask you, why is Matt sitting on Sam? Or Matt sitting on Sam? And how does Sam look? Right? So you can ask those, they'll ask those little things. And now it's the reverse. Sam sat on Matt. And we talk about the pictures. If the child cannot read, talk about the pictures. Matt sat. Sam sat. And this word is a sight word. So we're going to say the The TH makes a th sound, but E is going to say in this sense. So this is an example of a sight word. The, and this word end can be decoded. What sound? End. The end. And we've got Sam, Dot. As they go up, as the books increase, the words, they increase as well. So Dot has a hat. The cat has a hat. And they learn the word the from the end. This is about Mac. And you'll see here Mac. Mac is here. Mac has a bag. The bag had a dog. See, the words are increasing. And or and this will be the long sound. This will be a short sound actually. And or and depending on where you're from, you'll pronounce it differently. Then this is the next set, Dot and Mitt. Let's see what's inside here. Dot and Mitt sat on a mat. And it gets it increases, it tells you about Dot. Then we have Dot and the dog, Jig and Mag, Muff and Puff. Then we go to the other books, the green set, 10 cut-ups. Let's see in here. 10 cut-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jig has 1 wig. 2 bugs in a rug. So now it teaches you the numbers, number recognition, and how to say the numbers, as well as decode the words. B-u-g-z, bugs. In, a-r-u-g, rug. Pop has 3 cups, and so on. Then there's Peg and Ted, Lad and the Fat Cat. Let's see what's inside this one. This is book number 11, and we're using the sound lamp, kite, box. Lad had a fat cat. The cat is Kit. Kit sat in a box. Lad sat on a keg. Lad, sat, n, a, egg, keg. Lad had a nap. Kit sat in the box. Let's see. Come on, page. Turn. Okay, here we go. Lad did nap a lot. I guess Lad was really tired. Get up, Lad. Get up, Kit. Kit has 6 cats. 6. It. Kit has 6 cats. Kit has 6 cats. The end, and here you see the 6 cats. This is a really easy book once kids know their letter sounds. So learn your letter sound. It's nice to be able to recognize. You should recognize the upper and lowercase letters. Uppercase, lowercase. So that when you see it in print or written, you're able to recognize the letters so that you can make the sound, so that you can start reading these simple books by Bobby Lynn Mason. This one is about the vet. This is the last book. The vet got into a van. The vet had to fix the cat. And you see the words. You will be able to decode this book once you start with book number 1 as you build up on the words. The big cat at the zoo. So this is set 1, and there are many more. Let's see. There they are. So we didn't start with these first Bob books pre-reading skills, but I started with this. Set 1, beginning readers, first stories, rhyming words. I did not begin with that. I started with this, and then I didn't bother to get these, but I have this one. Advancing beginners. So he's able to read these books. And you have Sight Word First Grade, Animal Stories, Sight Word Kindergarten. They are a wonderful set of books. They are, because they've worked for us. So, if I know that you want to see more videos, so subscribe to our channel. It is absolutely free, and it will help us to grow our channel. So come back for more videos at Ty's Learning Lab. Bye. Be positive, love yourself, and you can do anything that's good. Once you put your mind to it, it takes work. So be good. Bye.